Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to arrange items three-dimensionally in Google Drawings. So I've got my Google Drawing open, and I have a couple of elements here, this one at the top and this one right here. And in order to arrange these items three-dimensionally, basically what we're talking about is which element should appear to be on top of the other one. All right, so right now, they're not overlapping, so it doesn't really matter which one is on top, which one is on the bottom. So let's say I take the one on top and I go to arrange and I click on order, and I want that one to be all the way to the front. It needs to be on top of everything. If anything overlaps, that one will win and that one will get displayed. So I send this one to the front, and notice when I move it down, it is now over the word art. Right? So now the word art appears underneath the text box. So I can send something all the way to the front or all the way to the back, or since every element in the drawing has its own location three-dimensionally, it has its own layer, the newest element is always on top. So whichever element was the first one you put in your Google Drawing, that will be on the bottom, and then it builds all the way up from there. So I don't have to move something all the way to the front or all the way to the back. Right? I can just move it forward or backward one layer at a time. So if I send it back one layer, right, it's in front of this one. It was in the front. It's in front of this one because it used to be in the front. It's only moved back one layer. And I think the last thing I added was this one down here. And it's a little tough to see, but the text box at the very bottom is in front of this. And so when you need an effect to make it look like certain elements are in a specific order on the drawing, you can do that by paying attention to which order or which layer the element is already in.